Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you about my hair care daily routine. Now I have just finished my shower. Look at this, still wet. Right after my shower I have to dry it off with the use of the towel. Then after that, I'm going to apply these two products. I have here the two products of FRUCTIS from Garnier. This one is a hair protect. This is a hairspray, and this is a Wonder Oil from FRUCTIS Garnier. And this is the one. This is the hair protect from FRUCTIS. So I will show you how to use this product. Since I have a long hair, look at this, I have a long hair, look. I have a very long hair. So I maintain to use this product, and after the shower, I have to spray all over my hair this hairspray, and inside it, then I have to massage it into my hair in order to penetrate the medicine of this product. Look at this. And I have to apply the second product. This is the Wonder Oil. This is very good smell, and I'm using this for a long time. So I have first to massage inside my scalp to help my hair grow and to keep it strong, and this keeps my hair healthy and bouncy and protect from having split ends, because since my childhood I have already a long hair, so I maintain it. So here I am using these two products for my hair care daily routine. Look at here. So I massage it inside my scalp like this, and massage also here so that the oil will penetrate into my hair. The texture of my hair is little bit big, the big type, and it is a little bit wavy. Okay, that is why I need to use the hair oil and the spray. So after 5 minutes, I have to keep it like this in order that the oil and the hairspray will penetrate into my hair and in my scalp. Okay, then after that, look at this, huh? I will just massage it like this, and I brush it like this with the use of my hand. Okay, I'm not using comb, and I am just using a kind of brush. This is a fine brush. Look at this. This is the handle. You just hold it like this. This is a product of Evelyn from Germany. So I will just brush here on the top and on the side. Look at here, and on the outer part of my hair like this, and on the tip of my hair like this, and outside it. And this brush is what we call this, it will helps you avoid cutting your hair, and I will just help also to just brush it with the use of my fingers. Okay, like this only. I am not using any blower because it will makes my hair dry if I will use the blower. So I will just keep my hair dry just normally. Just keep it in my backside and it will dry it later. Just normal dry without using the blower. Okay, so in order for you to keep your hair bouncy and healthy, you can try to use these two products. This is the Wonder Oil and the hairspray from Garnier. And I will give you some tips in order for you to have a long hair. Just take care of your hair. Don't wash too much hot because your hair will also be damaged, and don't expose too much to the sun, especially if you're always going to the beach, because it will damage your hair. Too much exposure to the sun or to the beach, to the sea. When I'm going out, I always use an umbrella if I'm exposed to the sun, especially if in the Philippines. But if I am here in the Swiss, if it is summertime, too much exposure to the sun, I always use a sombrero or a hat to protect my hair. Okay, so that is how to protect your hair, and avoid using hair blower every day because that causes your hair, that makes your hair dry, and it will cause split ends if too much dry and too much exposure, too much heat from the blower. Okay, so look at my hair. I have a long hair, but I take care of it. I don't have anything in my hair, lice or dandruff or split ends, because I always protect my hair. And the first thing I did is to have a hair care routine every day. Okay, you can wash your hair every day, but don't use too much shampoo every day, because if you're using every day and too much shampoo every day, that will also damage your hair. So just wash your hair, and you can use a little bit of the soap, oh no, of the shampoo if you're washing it every day, and also a hair conditioner. And don't use too much hot water. Just use normal cold water. But if you're living in the cold country, then you can use it just a little bit warm, not too hot, because it will make your hair dry and cause split ends, and then you will have dandruff. Okay, so I hope you get an idea on how to keep your hair healthy and bouncy and without having what is this? A split ends, to make your hair long and beautiful. Look at this. This is my long hair. Okay, so I just always prioritize my hair. Before I apply makeup, the first thing I did is to do my hair care routine. Okay, and one thing I will tell you, don't always go for salon for, what is this, for hot oil, because this will damage your scalp. Too much hot, and the pores of your scalp will be loosened, and that's the cause of losing hair, falling hair, because your scalp is always exposed or to the hot and to the hot oil. It's better to take care of your hair at home. Just use the normal product. Okay, so that is my tips on how to take care of your long hair, and never allow anybody to keep touching your hair, just to avoid the, this time, the transmission of the virus, touching the hand from other people. No, never. Me, I don't want people to touch my hair except myself. So just be caution, never allow anyone to touch your hair. Free to see, but not to touch. Okay, that's my policy. Free to see, but never touch my hair. Okay, so that is all, and thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. See you again in my next video. Bye bye, and happy weekend to everyone.